Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play the Cuphead fast rolling dice game, focusing on an easy method to get started. First, each player selects one of the 4 iconic characters, taking their individual player board and 6 custom dice. You'll also place 3 health tokens on your board. Then, set up the central boss board and reveal the top 3 attack cards, placing them for all players to see. This cooperative game is all about teamwork. Once the timer begins, everyone rolls their unassigned dice simultaneously and rapidly. Your goal is to quickly match the icons shown on the boss's attack cards by placing your dice onto your player board. Remember to assign your dice from left to right, covering the attacks in order. Successfully matching an icon means you dodge that attack. The real-time element, often with a 20-second timer, makes every second count. Dodging attacks is crucial, but to win, you must also damage the boss. You can do this by assigning an extra shoot icon die to an attack card that only requires 1 icon to defend. Each shoot icon placed this way deals 1 point of damage. Work together to reduce the boss's total health, which can be several points depending on the boss. Your team wins by bringing the boss's health down to 0. For an easier experience, always select the longest timer setting, usually 20 seconds, to allow more time for rolling and assigning dice. A key strategy is to prioritize defending against all incoming boss attacks first, ensuring your team stays healthy. If a teammate loses all their health, another player can use a parry token to revive them with 1 health point. Focusing on defense and teamwork will make defeating bosses much more manageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.